What's up, crypto enthusiasts? Welcome to another exciting video where we'll dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency trading and explore strategies to spot potential 50% to 500% moves in the markets. If you're ready to take your trading game to the next level, buckle up and let's get started. Before we dive in, let me quickly remind you to use the referral code 911 when signing up on the BingX cryptocurrency exchange. This will give you a sweet bonus to kickstart your trading journey. Now, let's get down to business. Picking the top cryptocurrency markets for massive price movements is an art and a science. It requires a combination of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. In this video, we'll break down a step-by-step approach to help you identify potential winners and maximize your chances of catching those elusive 50% to 500% moves. Step 1. Understand market cycles and trends. The cryptocurrency market is cyclical, with periods of bullish rallies and bearish corrections. Understanding where we are in the market cycle is crucial for making informed trading decisions. During bull markets, momentum plays and breakout strategies tend to work well, while in bear markets, range-bound trading and short-selling strategies may be more appropriate. Step 2. Identify potential catalysts. Cryptocurrencies are highly sensitive to news and events that can trigger significant price movements. Keep an eye out for upcoming protocol upgrades, hard forks, regulatory changes, or major partnerships and announcements from prominent projects. These catalysts can create buying or selling pressure, leading to explosive price movements. Step 3. Analyze on-chain metrics. On-chain data provides valuable insights into the behavior of network participants such as whales, miners, and institutional investors. Monitor metrics like transaction volume, active addresses, and network hash rate to gauge the level of adoption and interest in a particular cryptocurrency. Step 4. Conduct technical analysis. Technical analysis is a powerful tool for identifying potential entry and exit points, as well as identifying support and resistance levels. Study price charts, indicators like the relative strength index or moving averages, and chart patterns like ascending triangles, cup and handles, and head and shoulders formations. Step 5. Evaluate fundamentals. While technical analysis is essential, it's also crucial to understand the fundamentals of the cryptocurrencies you're trading. Evaluate the project's roadmap, team, partnerships, and real-world use cases to gauge its long-term potential and viability. Step 6. Monitor social sentiment. The cryptocurrency community is highly engaged on social media platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram. Monitor the sentiment around specific projects as well as the overall market sentiment to gauge potential buying or selling pressure. Step 7. Implement risk management. Trading cryptocurrencies is inherently risky, and even the most well-researched trades can go against you. Always implement proper risk management techniques such as setting stop losses, diversifying your portfolio, and never risking more than you can afford to lose. Remember, catching 50% to 500% moves in the crypto markets is no easy feat, but by following these steps and continuously refining your strategy, you can increase your chances of success. Now, I know what you're thinking, but where can I put all these strategies into practice? Well, that's where the BingX cryptocurrency exchange comes in. With its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade, BingX is the perfect platform to execute your trades with confidence. And don't forget to use the referral code 911 when signing up on BingX to claim your exclusive bonus. This little perk will give you a head start in your trading journey and help you maximize your potential profits. That's it for today, folks. Remember, trading cryptocurrencies is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, disciplined, and always prioritize risk management. With the right strategies and the right exchange by your side, those massive 50% to 500% moves are well within your reach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own trading experiences, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading, and may the crypto markets be ever in your favor.